What's up and welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about how many minutes does make 4,000 of watch time in order to make your channel as monetized. And I just go and search on how many minutes makes 4,000 of watch time. So I'm going to go and get details like 4,000 of watch time makes to like 40,000 of minute to make like 4,000 of watch time, and that is going to be eligible to make your videos monetize, and that's how your channel is going to have some money income. So let's just go and calculate that. 2,40,000 that is divided by 12 months, that is 365 days, and calculate that one. So that goes to 20,000. So in a month you need to go and get 20,000 of minutes in order to surpass the watch time of ours. So let's just go and open up your channel analytics. After that you have got like 28 days. So when I consider 28 days, so that goes to like 30 days. So in a 2 days that doesn't make any difference. So that is like 16.2k. That is not making my videos to get like 4,000 of watch time in 12 months. So I need to go and improve my videos, and that can help me. But if I consider it with 365 days and calculate that one, so my channel was not growing slightly, it goes up down and up down. So it just goes from that. You can go and analyze that one. If I just want to have 365 days, yes, my channel wouldn't have monetized because I have 1.59. So that is not even making it 24. So that means I am not able to get to that point. So if I get 20,000 of minutes every month, that is last 28 days, it is going to go and get me to 25,000. If I go and click on it, and let's just go and watch for April, so again 20k is not appearing. And if I go and click on March, it is getting 18k. That means I was about to get to 20. If I click on March and go to February 16, that was also less. So I need to go and do something to my channel, upload more and more videos that can make my videos to go 20k per month. And if that goes on and on, that means I'm going to be eligible to get 20,000, and every time I will have watch time, and I'm not going to go and face any issue if the channel is getting low views or not. So just go and look for that and make your channel much more better, that can get 20k in a month, and that is going to keep you monetized as long as you keep on making videos on YouTube. So that's about it for this video. I hope you understand how it works and how you should make your videos to get 20k in a month, and that is going to help you out to keep your channel monetized. And if you are not getting any monetization, this is the key. This is the way you can go and get your channel monetized in 365 days, that is 12 months. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Vincent and I'm signing out. See you guys next time.